Hello everyone. Today we are going to clean the sensor of my camera. This is quite simple. In order to clean it, you basically need two things. You need swabs like this, and you need a special sensor cleaning. Let's start the cleaning simply by removing the lens and get onto it. This is actually very simple. First off, remove the lens. Second, blow some air on the sensor. And what this does is that it removes any loose dust. Open this swab. And this is a one-time usage only. And sometimes you might want to shake your cleaning solvent. And now you're going to take 2 to 3 drops on this one. Like this. 1 drop, 2 drops, and 3 drops. The goal here is that the solvent is covering the whole length of the swab. And here comes the sketchy part, which is not sketchy at all. Make sure all dust is removed, not the biggest deal if it's not. And now you simply swab it over, dust it dry, and inspect the sensor. If there's some tricky dust or like tricky things on it, you could swab it over one more time. And if there's still some residue, you take your blower and just blow it dry. The tip here is that don't overuse the cleaning agent, because then you're gonna leave some liquid on the sensor. Not the biggest deal, you could just dry it away. And fun thing here, what you actually see here is a glass that is in front of your sensor. So you are not directly cleaning the actual sensor, you're just cleaning a glass in front of the sensor. Okay, my friends, that's it. We now have a clean sensor and we can continue to shooting and taking amazing pictures. Cleaning your own sensor is ridiculously easy, but it's something that a lot of people are not willing to do themselves. However, there's nothing to be afraid of. It requires quite a lot in order for you to actually mess up this procedure. And as long as you have the right kit, it's almost bulletproof, or it's next to bulletproof. However, if you like this kind of content and you want to see more camera related content, click here to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.